in today's video we're going to look at how much livestock scales cost, so stay tuned. Livestock scales are a very important item, obviously. When we try to discuss prices, it can be a little tricky since there are many different types of livestock scales available. Livestock scales are a specially designed item. Most scale manufacturers who design these products make them specifically for the agriculture industry. The manufacturers are trying to design scales that can meet the requirements of the farming community. Weight is an important factor in everything livestock related. Depending on the type of scale you are needing, a livestock scale can cost anywhere from several $100s to well over $30,000, depending on exactly what type of livestock scale you are looking at. For example, on the high end, there are mobile livestock scales which are designed to be transported to the location of the animals that you're looking to weigh. And there are also stationary livestock scales which are designed to be set up at one location and you bring the animals to the scale. These livestock scales I just mentioned are well built and designed for years of service. That makes sense because the livestock scales are manufactured by the same scale companies that design and build truck scales. Now when you mention livestock scales, we also have to mention a couple of the less expensive options for single animal weighing. We have the Rough Deck SLV, which offers the features of the popular Rough Deck floor scale, modified to meet the demands of livestock weighing. We also have several types of portable weigh beams available that are typically less than $1,500 at the time of this video. These are versatile scale beams that are usually available in either a 40-inch or 24-inch length that you can use for various weighing applications. I hope this video has helped you understand some of the options available. You need accurate weight readings, and the selection of livestock scales that we have are sure to meet your needs, whether you have a small or large farm. You can visit centralcarolinascale.com to see all the different scales that we offer. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel